He's breathing. Okay, go again. Okay, wait, go again.
Dramatic video of the moments police in El Monte, California saved the life of an 8-year-old boy who was choking. Let's bring in that lucky young man, Ethan, his mom, Vanessa Becerra Aguayo, and one of the El Monte police officers who responded to the incident, Raul Vega. Thank you all for coming on. Ethan, to you, we are great. Love to have you on the show. Thank you for coming. Tell me what happened. You're with a friend, and then what happens?
I was with a friend, and then we were just sitting, and I ate a candy, and then...
Do you know what kind of candy it was?
Like, it was one of those block candies, and then I was going like that, and then I choked on it, and then I tried to like cough, and then it wasn't working, and then my friend noticed it, so that I ran to the house, and then she also ran, and then she gave me water, and then I woke up, and then I was in the ambulance.
Wow, Mom, when you found out, did you know it was like he was choking for legit? Did you know? Do you know the candy was in there? Could he tell you what it was?
No, as soon as I saw him, when his little friend told me, I just saw him purple. He was already unconscious. So I just tried, the neighbors and I were trying to do compressions on his chest, breathe through his mouth, but nothing seemed to be working. He wasn't able to talk to me, so he was unconscious the whole time until the police arrived.
Yeah, and how long before the police arrived? It must have seemed like forever.
It did feel like forever, but it was about 5 minutes, I guess. They were really quick with everything, so I'm just really thankful for them.
Yeah, thankful for Officer Vega and his team. And when you got there, Officer Vega, you know, he was unconscious. Did you know that he was choking? Did you know this was bad?
Yes, he was unconscious. He was unresponsive. He wasn't breathing. His eyes were open. We've seen these, type of medical emergencies before, but he was clearly needed, attention quickly.
Yeah, and you brought something with you. I want to show you because we're watching the video, but it's important to know that this is called LifeVac. Yes. Just tell me what it does, Officer Vega, if you can.
Yes, it's an anti-choking rescue device. It's basically like a plunger, like a home plunger, and you place the device over the person's mouth, and you press to get suction in. Right. And while you're holding it down, you pull it up. And that allows the object to become dislodged and the airway to open up.
Did it work the first time?
It didn't.
How many times before you can get the candy out of Ethan's throat?
The second time.
Second time.
It was the second time.
That's fantastic.
It was amazing.
When you woke up in the ambulance, what did you know where you were? Did you know what happened, Ethan?
Yeah.
What were you thinking? Did you see your mom? Did you see people around you?
Yeah, I saw my mom in the ambulance and other people too.
Yeah. How did you feel?
Nervous.
Yeah, I can imagine you were nervous. How did Mom feel during this time? Were you watching the whole stuff? The first time it didn't work, the second time, what were you kind of thinking? What were you feeling? It had to be tense.
Yes, from the moment where we were trying, and I heard one of the dads say he wasn't breathing, I lost it. So as soon as I noticed that they were able to pull it out and they had with the candy, I felt some type of relief. I was still worried, thinking what if he was going to come back himself, but he was okay after that.
Yeah, the first time it didn't come out, Officer Vega, were you concerned? Did you think, okay, listen, we got to get this?
Oh, absolutely. But I have great partners that were there with me, holding Ethan down. I know Mom was there, Vanessa, and luckily with my partners and the training that we had, we were able to get it out.
Yeah. Will you eat these candies anymore, Ethan? Done. Done with those candies. We're not going to say the brand or anything, but done with those candies. Would you recommend? I mean, this whole thing, is it one of those things where who called the police and how long did it take before you actually had your son in the ambulance?
Yes, I was actually talking with this dad about it when we were at the hospital. We were mentioning that we had to get the same machine that they use. So we were even looking on Amazon to see where we could find it, because it was just terrifying not seeing, my own son breathing and just unconscious. So
it really is. Officer Vega, your last words on this?
No, our police department supplied 200 of these to our patrol officers, to the city employees. This is a lifesaver. It's gonna for $60 to $70. This is gonna save someone's life.
And that life is sitting 2 people down for you. Officer Vega, you're a hero. Thank you, and your team as well. Vanessa, Ethan, good for you. Thank you. We appreciate it. Well, coming up, there is new information that former President Trump has narrowed his VP list to 3: Doug Burgum, Marco Rubio,